The amount of growth I've seen on my hair in the last 3 months is really surprising to me. All I can say is watch this video to the end to see the simple herb oil combination that helped me achieve this growth. I love the way my hair feels right now, the texture of my hair, everything. Like, just watch this video, okay? Hey guys, Uchenna here. So today we're making some herbal infused oil. This is rosemary. This herb is so powerful that it has the ability, according to research, to heal nerve endings, and this may rejuvenate nerves in the scalp and possibly restore hair growth in areas you are already lacking hair. And I totally believe this because I've been able to restore and recover hair in some areas of my head where my hair was really lacking. I was really lacking hair, totally balding out, and it keeps going in. Places I haven't had hair in a long while are all covered with hair right now, and some areas are still work in progress. On the other hand, fenugreek itself is so powerful. It has a lot of benefits for hair. Fenugreek oil deeply penetrates the scalp and hair shaft to provide moisture, stimulate hair growth, strengthens locks, and soften the overall texture of the hair. It has antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and pesticidal properties that work to promote greater overall hair health. The last time I made this oil on my channel, I used cloves. In fact, I always use cloves, okay, whenever I'm making this oil. But I noticed my hair has been breaking more than it's growing, so I decided to give clove a break. But I must tell you that this clove truly contributed to the new growth you're seeing. You can go ahead and add clove to yours or any other herb that you feel that your hair feels comfortable with. The way my hair feels right now without clove, the texture of my hair right now feels amazing and it hasn't been breaking as much. So I just blended the fenugreek seed and rosemary leaf. This way, I believe I'll be able to get all the properties, all the good stuffs there are in there. I will definitely be using some oils to extract many of the powerful and healing properties of these herbs into a usable form. Olive oil has many benefits for hair. It can help soften the hair strands while moisturizing and creating a protective layer that locks hydration. I'm out of it. I got only a spoon. The next one is Jamaican black castor oil. This oil contains ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid which may boost circulation in the scalp and subsequently promote healthier and stronger hair. Many people have attributed their hair growth to this great oil, but there is no clinical evidence to support this. I also use coconut oil and almond oil for this. They have their many benefits for hair also, and I'll be leaving them on the screen. So I use this method to properly infuse the properties from those herbs into these oils. The water is already boiled to 100 degrees Celsius. It is important, very important to do this under low heat, okay, to prevent causing damage to the flavor of the oil. I left this on for the total duration of 5 minutes and I make sure to stir the mixture in between the boiling period to ensure that the herbs are fully covered by the oil. After it has boiled, I took it out of the water and let it cool down completely before I went ahead to separate the mixture. So you want to make sure you're using a very clean cloth to do this. I'm using this new wig cap to separate my own mixture. People always say that rosemary smells so good. Yeah, it does actually, but for me, it's this fenugreek seed. This thing smells so amazing. The smell is so amazing. I love the way it smells. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I want to eat it, even though it's edible too. So I kind of managed everything. My oil is small, but I needed this very urgently. See the little oil I was able to get from this, but it's all good. So if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to me, why now? Why have you not subscribed? Please now subscribe to me. I'm begging you. Please subscribe to me. Okay. Hit on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to know whenever I drop a new video. Okay. And do the other good stuff for me, like liking this video and leaving a comment in the comment section. Okay. So I want to show you one of the ways that I do use this oil for hair growth, and so far I've been loving it. I literally had my hair washed a week ago, last Saturday, and today is another Saturday, and I used this oil after my leave-in conditioner, and this is how my hair is looking like after a week. So all I'm doing is unravel the twist I already have on, make sure that I get this down to my root, my scalp, my roots, massage it in with my hands, my fingers, and later I also used the scalp massager to, massage, because it makes the whole experience very easy. It makes the whole thing very easy. Okay, and this is what I basically do. When I'm done with one, I move on to the next one, and I also get it to my hair strands. My hair has been growing so well. My hair, the way it feels, the texture of the hair at this point, guys, is on point, and I love it. It's kind of bounces, like you're holding the hair, you feel that the hair is bouncing, and I truly love it. I really, really like the way my hair feels right now. And like I told you guys, I removed clove from this recipe, and I love the new texture that this gives to my hair. Okay, so this is what I'll just basically do to the rest of the hair, and that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Please now subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you again. Subscribe to me if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for coming and clicking on my video and watching this video to this point. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Hit on the bell notification button so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, share this video with your friends and family if you can. If this video is helpful, please like my video. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. Okay, if there is anything, just drop a comment for me in the comment section. I'll be happy to read your comment and also reply. Thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. My old people that always come back to watch my video. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I never ever take your love for granted. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate you all.